Something's coming out, you guys.
Okay, because they're alive.
I'll be quiet for a little bit. So they're not
Oh my goodness.
super scared.
No screaming, okay?
Don't scream.
Oh my goodness.
You ready?
Okay.
Wow.
Look at that, you guys.
Were these in your room, Cedar?
No, they're in Rachel Messenger.
Oh.
Christmas birds. Christmas
You
birds.
guys.
That is so cool.
You gotta name them.
Dad has babies again.
That's why you only
Are they males and females or?
They're all males.
Oh, they're all males. What if I get a female and then you guys?
No, babies. You could do that.
You could do
But
it.
We will not take any. I've already cleaned their cage enough in the last 2 weeks.
How old are they?
They are, he said, they're between 6 months and 1 year.
How often do you have to clean that cage?
Uh-oh, Monty's arm is stuck in his...
Is
Sweater.
Mommy's arm stuck?
Yeah.
No, he's okay. Where is he?
No, it's his other arm. His underarm. No.
Charles, maybe not.